Hello friends, welcome to Perfect Classes. Today we will start third question of exercise 5.2. Let's start with the third question. In the following AP, find the missing term. In the first question, we are given first term. We write it A is 2. We have to find the second term. And the third term is 26. We write third term as a plus 3 minus 1d. A3 is a plus 2d. So a plus 2d is 26. Now in this question we are given with two equations. First is a is equal to 2. Let it be equation number 1, and second is a plus 2d is 27. Let it be second equation. Now put value of a from first equation in second equation. Value of a is 2, so 2 plus 2d is 26. 2d is equal to 26 minus 2. 2d is 24 and we get the value of d is 24 divided by 2, 12. So our common difference is 12. Now we have to find the second equation. Second equation is a plus 2 minus 1d. Value of a is 2. From the first equation, 2 minus 1 is 1. Value of d is 12. So our a2 is 14. Hence our AP is 2, 14, 26 and so on. In the second question, first term is missing, so we have to find a1. Second term is 13. We also write second term as a plus d, as the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. For the second term, a is same, n is 2 minus 1d, a2 is a plus d, that is 13. So this is the first equation that is provided by the question. Now we have to find third term, and the fourth term is a plus 4 minus 1d, a plus 3d, that is 3. So this is our second equation. Now from first and second, a plus d is equal to 13 and a plus 3d is equal to 3. When we subtract 2 from 1, we get minus 2d is equal to 10, or we can say d is equal to minus 5. Now put d is equal to minus 5 in first equation we get a is equal to 18. The first term is 18. Now for the third term a3, we use the formula a plus 3 minus 1d. a3 is a is 18 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 and d is minus 5. So our third term is 8. a3 is 8. In the third question, we are given first term is, that is a is 5. We have to find the second term. We write it as a plus 2 minus 1d or a plus d. Now we also have to find third term. We write it as a plus 3 minus 1d or a plus 2d. Now we have given fourth term is, that is a plus 3d is 9.5. So by solving this, we get 19 divided by 2. In this question, we again have two equations. First is a is equal to 5, and let it be first, and second is a plus 3d is 19 by 2. Let it be second. Now put value of a from first in equation second. We get 5 plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5, or 3d is equal to 19 minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 9 divided by 2. So the value of d is 9 divided by 2 into 1 by 3. So d is 3 by 2. Now we have to put the value of d and a in a2. a2 is a plus d. The value of a is written from first equation. A is 5 and value of d is found as d is 3 divided by 2. So our second term is 13 by 2. We also write it as 6.5. Our second term is 6.5. Now for the third term, a3 is a plus 2d, a is 5 and d is 3 by 2. So a3 is 5 plus 3, we get 8. Our third term is 8. In the fourth question, we are provided first term a is minus 4. Let it be equation number 1. We have to find second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. We are given with sixth term, that is a plus 6 minus 1d or a plus 5d is 6. Let it be second equation. Now put value of a from equation first In equation second, we get minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. 5d is equal to 10 and d is equal to 2. For the second term, a2 is a plus 2 minus 1d or a plus d. A is minus 4 and d is 2. So our second term a2 is minus 2. For the third question, for the third term, a3 is a plus 3 minus 1d. We can write it as a plus 2d. A is minus 4 plus 2 into d is 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. A3 is 0. For the fourth term, a4 is a plus 4 minus 1d. A plus 3d. A is minus 4 plus 3 into 2 is d is 2. A4 is minus 4 plus 6. Our fourth term is 2. For the fifth term, we write a5 is a plus 5 minus 1, 4d. a5 is a is minus 4 plus 4 into 2 minus 4 plus 8. Our fifth term is 4. Now the third term is, second term is minus 2, third term is 0, fourth term is 2 and fifth term is 4. This is our answer. In the fifth question, we have to find first term, that is a. We are given with second term 38, or we can write the second term as a plus 2 minus 1 is 1 and d. A plus d is 38. Let it be equation number 1. We have to find third term, fourth term and fifth term. The sixth term is minus 22. For the sixth term, we write it as a plus 6 minus 1 or a plus 6 minus 1d or a plus 5d minus 22. Let it be equation number 2. From first and second equation, subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. Here minus changes to plus. Minus 4d is equal to plus 60, or we can say the common difference d is minus 15. Now put the common difference d in equation 1. A plus d is minus 15 is equal to 38. A is 38 plus 15. Is 53. Now for the third term a3 is, we can return third term is a plus 2d. 3 minus 1 is 2d. A is 53 plus 2 and d is minus 15. A3 is 53 minus 30. We get third term is 23. For the fourth term, we write a4 as a plus 4 minus 1, 3d. A is 53 and d is minus 15. A4 is 8. Now our fourth term is 8. For the fifth term, we write a5 as a plus 5 minus 1 is 4d. A is 53 plus 4 and d is minus 15. 53 minus 60. Our fifth term is minus 7. Our answer is, first term is 53, third term is 23, fourth term is 8 and fifth term is minus 7. This is our answer. Hope you understand these questions. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching my video.